Private House in Tvaladi by NS Studio in Tvaladi, Georgia. The private house in the Georgian village of Tvaladi represents a synthesis of old and new, which is expressed by the combination of modern forms and the old stone façade. One-story volume is built of stone and wood constructions, which are to some extent a large part of the interior. Large format apertures on the façade allow us to turn the surrounding nature into part of the interior and get the volume better combined with the environment. The interior focuses on the symbiosis of rough and subtle elements and their balance. There was placed a cellar perpendicularly to the house, with the same architectural visual that creates an overall composition of the area.